Hey, what's up guys, this is the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, and obviously this is going to be one of the best device. It is currently from Samsung. So in this video I will be testing out that particular device and giving you first impression and unboxing of the device, so stay tuned for that. So if I go to the unboxing of that particular device, so as you can see, I'm pulling out that particular sticker and I have already pulled out the sticker from downside. So here is the device. We have these brand new titanium silver kind of a color. I can believe that its name is titanium silver blue. This is going to be looking absolutely great. As you can see, the color is going to be absolutely amazing. We have the device which is going to be coming with the sides are going to be flat and the front is also going to be flat sides. The other side is also flat, and we on the top we have some noise cancellation mic. And on the bottom, we also see that there is going to be a Type-C speaker grill and the SIM slot. And also we have the S Pen. Interestingly, there are leaks that we are not going to be seeing the S Pen coming with a Bluetooth. And this time around, the S Pen is going to be coming with the same color as we have ordered. So definitely this is going to be pretty great. I will be testing out. And you guys, beside that particular device, we have some other stuff that is going to be inside the box. And as you can see, we have kind of a different same kind of a device box. In here we are going to be seeing the SIM ejector pin. We have some paperwork, and we also have the USB Type-C to Type-C cable. So other than that, nothing is in the box. As you already know, there is no charger which is coming alongside with that particular device. As you can see, the device is looking great in that particular color, and we also have a new camera sensor on the back which is 50 megapixels. So definitely this is a great achievement. And also we are going to see the volume down and power button on the right side. On the left side, nothing is there. Top we have the noise cancellation, and on the bottom we have the speaker, the S Pen and Type-C port, and the SIM ejector. So I will be doing unwrapping that particular bad boy right now, and as you can hear, so this is definitely kind of a satisfying for me. And you guys, I just forget to mention that it's going to be coming with Gorilla Glass Armor 2 protection, and along with that it's going to be coming with a new anti-reflective coating. And as you can see, it's going to be less reflective towards the light, and it's going to be looking absolutely great. And I have the S24 Ultra alongside with that, and as you can see, the difference between both of these devices is quite significant, and it's kind of a lightweight. The S25 Ultra is a lightweight as compared to S24 Ultra. It's looking like heavy, and on the side we have different kind of design. Now we have a flat design as compared to the rounded design in here, and as you can see, we have the rounded corners instead of the sharp corner on the S24 Ultra. So definitely this is going to be an upgrade. And also if we look at the back side, we have the cameras that are going to be different. We now have a 50 megapixel new camera as compared to 12 megapixel, and also we have the other cameras are same, but they are going to be on a different design. So definitely it's going to be an upgrade. And on the bottom, if you look at, both the devices are going to be coming with similar kind of a positioning. The S Pen is going to be different between both of them. So as you can see, the S Pen, as you can see, the SIM tray positioning has been different right now instead of having other sides. So definitely it's going to be a pretty amazing device. So guys, this is my first impression. It's going to be looking great. It's light, but the S24 Ultra is also going to be great device. If you have the S24 Ultra, then I definitely think that the S25 Ultra is not a big upgrade for you guys. I will be making some great videos regarding that particular device, comparing them with the S24 Ultra 16 Pro Max, so do consider subscribing. I will be doing the speed test right after that particular video and uploading that, so check them out as well. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace.